The Acer Predator Helios 300 is, by all accounts, a budget gaming laptop. With that, there are a couple of blemishes about the device that are too obvious and too important to ignore, and there are some subtle corners cut as well. But, as is expected of many budget gaming laptops, cutbacks and compromises are expected. If you want the best, after all, you have to pay for the best. That said, we are pleasantly impressed with this model's performance for the price. This is a powerful machine for a budget gaming laptop. It can handle the most demanding games at medium to high settings. It has a refresh rate of 144 Hz, which you'll rarely see in gaming laptops of its kind. And it has a crisp, 1080p display with a true-to-life color palette. The basic configuration for Acer Predator Helios 300 in the US will only set you back $1,000, which features a 2.8 GHz, quad-core Intel Core i7-7700HQ processor, an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1060, 6GB GDDR5, graphics card, 8GB of RAM and your choice of a 256GB solid-state drive or 1TB hard drive.